Hey guys, John here, 1984 Barbecue. Tonight we're going to be doing steak fajitas on the Blackstone Griddle. Let's get it. Let's get this going. So we're going to start off with some red onions and green peppers. Alright. I'll throw those on there. Blackstone ain't all the way up to temp yet, but it's getting there. Get that taken care of there, guys. Get those going. I'm going to hit those with a little bit of It's Incredible Heaven Made Products. Guys, if you go there and use the code 1984 BBQ 10, 1984 BBQ 10, get 10% off your products at Heaven Made Products. All right, get 10% off your purchase. All right, so I got these going, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and let these get nice and happy on this Blackstone, and let these things just kind of wilter down just a tad here, and I'll bring you back here in just a few minutes. We're supporting Josh and Babe on their live. Anyways, guys, this griddle's nice and hot now. Let's get these skirt steaks on there. I want to show you these skirt steaks. Look at that. I did no trimming whatsoever, guys. Sorry about the plastic. But I did no trimming whatsoever, guys, on these. I got them from my local butcher, Hoover's Preferred Meats. Hoover's Preferred Meats. That's where I got it at. And I seasoned them with It's Incredible. Oh, that's incredible. Heaven Made Products, fabulous fajita rubs. Good stuff, guys. But this Blackstone is screaming hot. As you can tell, I got my vegetables over here to the side on low. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get these skirt steaks on, you guys, because they are screaming hot over here. Here we go. There's one. Number two's on. Listen to that sizzle, guys. That sizzle. Alright. That on there. Alright, got these going, guys. These aren't going to take very long. Probably about a minute or so on each side because they're not real thick. While that's going on, guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drop down some Mission fajita tortillas for fajita. We're going to drop down some Mission here. I'm going to heat these up. Guys, if you can just smell what's cooking right now. Oh, man. Smell that fajita seasoning from Heaven Made Products right now. Golly, guys, it smells wonderful. All right. Give these vegetables a quick turn over here. These are nice and soft now. They're broke down, guys, nice and happy. Got this on low over here. Keep those hot. Those are starting to get turn gray a little bit. Let's give a quick flip. Look at that color on there, guys. Look at that. Nice. Those are already starting to get a nice color to them. And this side's on low, you all. Nice color here, you guys. These are just rocking out, looking fabulous right now. Alright, guys, I'm going to let these go. And when I bring you back, we'll start building these bad boys. We'll see you then. We got our nice warm shell in there. Go ahead and build this up. Got our beef here. I overshot the beef, guys, but that stuff's nice and juicy. It's just really nice and juicy. Okay, we're going to lay another one in here. I'm going to lay this small piece right there. So nice build up of that. Now I'm going to come over here and get a little bit of this onion and peppers here. Lay that in there like that. Alright. Get that little piece there. That's hot still. Whew. Whew, hot. That's hot, you guys. Let me get that off there. Alright. That's off there. Alright, now we're going to get some cheese. You can use any cheese that you want, you guys. That's how I do mine though. A little cheese in there. And I like to take a little bit of some fresh cilantro. Throw in there. I just love the taste of cilantro. Now, I know Chris at Eastwind Farms is going to get mad at me for it, but I love it because he can't stand it. There's that, and then I add a little bit of sour cream. You can add some crema if you want. I add just a little bit of sour cream here. Just kind of put it down like so. All right, you guys. We'll take a taste test in just a second. Taste test time. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but look at that. Doesn't that just look delicious, you guys? Smells good. Let's take a quick recap. We took 2 skirt steaks that I got from Hobber's Preferred Meats. I'll leave a link down below in the description box. We seasoned them with Heaven Made products as fajita, fabulous fajita rub. All right, we got red onion, green peppers. You can put as many peppers as you want. That's what I went with. And we seasoned them with a little bit of It's Incredible from Heaven Made products. Remember, use the discount code 1984 barbecue, 1984 BBQ 10 to get 10% off in the discount code, okay? And yeah, and we got some Mission tortillas, fajita shells, and kind of put them on the Blackstone to warm up a little bit. Take a little look-see there, guys. A little cheese on there, a little cilantro. All right, guys, let's do this. Cheers. You guys, that was delicious. The meat was tender, super juicy. The onions, the peppers, that fajita rub is really good. The cilantro, the sour cream, everything there was perfect. But I wish I would have added on there with some of them jalapeno crisps, but that's okay. I will. I'm done shooting this video. Anyways, guys, if you like what we're doing here at 1984 Barbecue, give me a big thumbs up. Share this video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, pound that bell, let you know when I put out new videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I greatly appreciate it. Guys, we will see you on the next one.